We are coming to you tonight from beautiful Naples, Florida, and there is no issue in this state that touches more people than health care, as we just talked about with Governor Rick Scott. This evening, congressional Republicans have crossed the first item off their list toward repealing and replacing President Obama's signature health care law. Chief Congressional Correspondent Mike Emanuel shows us what happened today and what's next on Capitol Hill.
Majority voting in the affirmative, the concurrent resolution is agreed to.
Congress has taken its first steps toward repealing Obamacare, passing a budgetary measure which will ask the relevant congressional committees to write a formal repeal measure. The House passed it 227 to 198 after the Senate approved it early Thursday morning.
This is a rescue mission. This is a necessary move, and I urge all of our colleagues to do what is right, because the time is urgent. And on top of this, to my colleagues, we need to keep our promise that we made to the American people, and this helps us do just that.
Ahead of the vote, House Democratic leader Nancy Pelosi sounded like she was willing to negotiate to save Obamacare.
As long as you don't diminish the number of people covered, reduce the benefit package, and increase the cost, as long as you don't do damage to Medicare and Medicaid, let's talk.
A top House Republican said this was about lawmakers keeping their word.
This should not be about preserving somebody's legacy. It should be about fulfilling those promises to the American people that were broken. And we're here to fulfill that promise. How refreshing it is that you have people that ran for years saying we're going to repeal Obamacare with a president who's ready to sign the bill to repeal Obamacare.
President-elect Trump weighed in early this morning on Twitter. The, quote, Unaffordable Care Act will soon be history. Ryan says he and Mr. Trump are on the same page and would like repeal and replace to be simultaneous in the first 100 days.
We want to do this at the same time, and in some cases in the same bill. I don't have a date, but that's something we're working on right now, and it's going to take us a little bit of time, but we're working on this as fast as possible.
Today, Democrats mocked the GOP for not having the new plan ready.
For more than 6 years, we've been waiting for a credible Republican health care plan, and none has been forthcoming. All you have is smoke and mirrors, and the American people are getting ready to get screwed.
Republicans say with Obamacare, too many families have seen their costs soar, quality drop, and health care choices reduced. Now the challenge is fixing it. Brett?
Mike Emanuel live on the Hill. Mike, thanks.